Hey there, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the new Nokia X100 5G, the latest addition to our great lineup of 5G devices. It features a large display, quad camera system, and a long-lasting battery. Best of all, it's ready to rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Let's check it out. The Nokia X100 5G features a large 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, a quad camera system with the 48-megapixel main camera, plus ultra-wide, depth, and macro lenses, a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for awesome selfies. And did I mention it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network? The Nokia X100 5G has a long-lasting 4,470 mAh battery that can give you up to 2 days of battery life. And both with facial recognition and a fingerprint sensor, you'll have secure access to what's important to you. The Nokia X100 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G processor. It runs Android 11, has 6 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage with a micro SD card slot. In the box, you'll find the new Nokia X100 5G, quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, and a wall charger. The new Nokia X100 5G, rocking T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network with a large display, quad camera system, and a long-lasting battery. Check it out now at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at T-Mobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.